Corey. It's very hot today.
Tony and Corey here, your Parr Weekend Warriors. We are at Parr Lumber in Burns, Oregon. And we're hanging out at a barbecue today, so we're gonna build a picnic table for this barbecue.
We've got Makita tools, a little bit of hardware, a picture of a table, and a pile of wood. Today, we're building a picnic table.
Welcome to the Weekend Warriors Home Improvement Show, built by Parr Lumber. Your Weekend Warriors, Tony and Corey.
All we need is a drill, a socket, and we're taking it a step further today. We're gonna round over the edges and sand it up. It's gonna be nice and clean. And of course, a fan, because it's hot.
It's hot.
So we're building a picnic table today exactly how I like to do it. We don't have instructions, we have pictures. And that's usually how I put things together. I just go straight to the pictures and I figure it out.
So we're gonna measure in 10 3/4 inches from the top here, make a mark, and then draw a line.
Port Orford cedar, and it smells amazing. I'm making sure that this is parallel with the bottom of the feet.
Yep. Tight fit, Daddy-o.
All right, let's screw this one together first.
The wood that we use is Port Orford cedar, and it's very dense, and it's a very nice wood. It's got a great aroma. It also has a little bit of sap situation. So this is not gonna be the very best for the seat of a picnic table, but it will dry over time. We can sand some of that off. Might be all right.
Our distance between our two ends here needs to be the exact same as our distance from here to here. And the distance from here to here. So we've made that mark, and that's gonna go here, and we're gonna screw that down right now.
Okay.
All right, let's slap them in here.
Last screw. We've got a picnic table.
Now let's flip it over. We'll put the cross braces in, and we'll be ready to round over the edges and sand it nice and smooth. To these ends, I made sure it's all centered. Now we're screwing together the seat braces. It's all fastened together, so we're gonna flip it down, round over the corners, and hit it with some sandpaper. Well, there you have it. We finished up this awesome picnic table. It is a beast.
It's really super sturdy. Wood is dense. A little bit of some pitchy areas, but we're gonna sand that down and then put a seal coat on it, which will protect your clothes and stuff from that. We hope you go out there and build your own picnic table.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. We'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here.
Our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest.
This has been another episode of your Parr Weekend Warriors.
We'll see you next time.